So this is a excuse me, the '07 Mustang GT, the 4.6 liter 3-valve, or as we all know, it's called the 3-valve. I know I mentioned last video I was gonna do a just kind of like a quick review, and I guess like a walk around review. I know there's a bunch of these on YouTube and shit, but yeah, just kind of give a walk around of it, of the car. I know I had a '01 Mustang GT, but I'll talk about that later. That one's gone. I have this one now. It is, I believe, the deluxe premium. I'm not sure. I know it comes with a hood scoop and the 17-inch bullet wheels alloy. I'm pretty sure it's the deluxe because it has a shaker front 100 system in there. I'll check that though. But yeah, it's a tungsten gray metallic on the car. I did come with racing stripes when I bought it at the dealer, the Ford dealer. Only one owner, which is pretty good. I bought it at about 92,000 miles. It's not bad, I guess, for an '07. What I've done to it, I've done the MBRP catback exhaust. It's a muffled delete. Sounds pretty good. It's not too drony. There's a good sound to it. It's really crisp. I'll have to do a full exhaust video of that, just like an overview of it. I'll go and pop the hood in a little bit. I did do a cold air intake. I did a Roush intake. Let's see. I did put this on. I just couldn't stand the look of the stock antenna. It just looks like a damn fishing pole, you know, just on your hood. Yeah, I couldn't do that. I wanted to change it up. I did buy that I bought this at Advanced Auto Parts. It was like 22 bucks. I mean, I probably could have gone online maybe, but I know American Muscle, LMR and such have it for a little, I think it was like a couple bucks cheaper, but it was Advanced Auto was nearby, and I just, you know, decided to just get it and just put it on. It don't look too bad. It hasn't fallen off yet, surprisingly. It's on there pretty good, but eventually I might buy a thinner one just to make it look more cleaner, but for right now it works. So it's not really high performance per se, but you know, it gets up and goes a little bit. This actually came with the vehicle. I think the owner decided to put something on there just to do it. I may keep it on there, may not. I was thinking of painting this black right here, or I'm not sure. I mean, it looks okay. I just don't like that. It's like a turquoise green color. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about that. It did also come with these louvers, which is pretty cool. It does give the car some character. And plus with the racing stripes as well, it does give it a little character. Let's see. We already know how the front end looks. It's pretty similar of all 05 to 09 GTs. I do have LED fog lights. I've been meaning to do a review. I bought them off Amazon. I think total was like almost about 80 bucks. Was not too bad at all. I did do like a mini review and installation on that. I'll have to do a better one and give you like a full review of how they work. They're not too bad. I mean, I can see well at night. I just didn't want something too bright, of course, or something that was going to blind the other drivers coming the other way. You know what? I've had gone flashed a few times. They, I guess I don't know, they're not that bright, at least to me. Maybe from somewhere, I do have them aimed kind of high. So a little higher, but I mean, I just didn't want it too loud. We need to be able to see too. But so far, so good. None haven't crapped out on me yet. They still work good. I'll still have to do a review on those. Yeah, the fog lights were kind of a pain to put in. It was alright. It wasn't that bad. I guess I'll pop the hood. They come with leather seats. Have all my stuff in there, my backpack jacket and such. Leather wrap steering wheel. Oh yeah, here's that Shaker 500 I was talking about. It's not a bad system. I mean, I will think about in the future installing a better one or upgrading to a better system, but for right now it'll do. Oh yeah, let me go pop the hood. So it's been kind of gloomy, cloudy. Just got the press mode. There we go. It's kind of dirty. I did clean up a little bit, but there's some spots I gotta clean still. Here's the Roush intake I put on. Bought it from a guy at OfferUp. It was not too bad of a price, so I said why not. With this one, all you gotta do is if you buy the Roush, it usually come with the, what do you call it? The seal for the throttle body with the intake. I read that on American Muscle, the reviews saying that I think they said the clamps weren't big enough, or only came one. I need one right here, one right here. So if you do plan on buying a Roush intake from, I don't think they have it on LMR. I know they have it on AmericanMuscle.com. Make sure you just buy an extra clamp, you know, from an Autopod store or wherever. Yeah, it looks like this one, and look, these were fine. I don't think people complain about that. I could be wrong. I do need to clean the filter a little bit. It is kind of dirty. I just haven't had time. I know you have to give it at least like almost the whole day, maybe, right? 6 hours? That's what my friend told me. Yeah, I'm here right now, so I don't think I'll have time to do that. Oh. So for this, I think I had another video explaining this. You gotta get like a utility knife or something, and this, I had to put a hose. This usually has that plastic tubing. It's too short, it won't reach all the way here. So you're gonna have to cut that off. Just get a utility like blade or something and just cut like a line down and snap the tube off, and then just get like a hose. This is a 3/8 fuel hose. It's about maybe 10, 11 inches, I'm not sure. You'll do it for this side and outside, and it's just plug and play from there. Yeah. The only issue I had with this car when I bought it was the alternator. It crapped out on me. I thank AutoNation of Katy. They definitely came through with their service, and they replaced it and took care of me. So I do thank them for that. You can kind of see it looks very new. Not too dirty. It's only about like a couple months old. So yeah, this is the car. Definitely more to come. Definitely a build, that's for sure. I plan on, I have the exhaust, got the intake. I guess wheels next, spoiler or chin spoiler, and then from there I don't know. Of course, I want to do one thing at a time as far as mods go. I want to do like at least the wheels. I mean, the wheels are okay, but you know, I've seen some 3 valves with 20-inch wheels. They look pretty good. So that is another plan of mine I want to do. I definitely want to get a chin spoiler. It does look kind of plain. without it. It looks okay, but definitely a chin spoiler will touch it up and give it a fresh look for the front. I may delete this. I know LMR has the SVE bullet grill that deletes the fog lights. So I do like the bullet look too. I think it will definitely clean it up for this car. Definitely we're gonna replace the fog light, or not the fog lights, the headlight in the house. It's really, I don't know if you can see in the video, they're really kind of faded a little bit. I don't know if I want to just replace these or get the retrofit. They call it the Raxium something retro, like they mimic the old school Mustangs. They removed this, excuse me, and it has just a bowl, and then you can see the gills there. I'm considering getting those because it definitely looks clean on this car. Oh, excuse me, man, I had to burp. This part I gotta paint, just this gotta paint that. No, don't biggie, just get it clear coated or just freshly painted for that part. There's nothing else to show. I mean, it's really stock right now besides the exhaust and the intake. I don't have much something done to it. Yeah, that's the car. I'll definitely do a thorough exhaust video for that. I did do a cold start. I might put that in the beginning of the video or in the end, just to give an idea how it looks during a cold start, or how the exhaust sounds during a cold start. There you go. Well, I'm gonna end it here. I gotta go. I'm hungry. I am feeling a little under the weather, as you can probably tell in the video. Let's see if I can get better for this week. All right, peace.